Hello, my name is Jessie Grabata. I'm a Staff Development Specialist with the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement. I'm here today to walk you through how to check out the equipment from your site's STEM kit. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is access your site's flyer that looks like this. What you can do is type in the bit.ly or scan the QR code with your phone. This flyer will be printed next to your STEM kit. This page has all the information you will need to check out equipment from your site's STEM kit. This first document that you see has a link to all of the school site Google Calendars so that you can see if the equipment you want is free. You'll notice Ozobots are purple, Sphero is gray, Lego Prime is blue, Microbit is orange, and Lego Essential is green. So let's just click on Atoms so you can see what that will look like. Right now there's no events because the STEM kits have not been checked out yet, but this is where you would see those calendar events with last name, what has been checked out, and the date range for when it's expected to be out. Back on our site, if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the form to actually check out the equipment. So what you're going to do, step 1, open the STEM kit site calendar document. That's the same document that's listed here. We just want you to double check in case you're using this document for planning. We want you to check again the day that you're actually going to reserve the equipment and just make sure it's free. Step 2, click on your school to find your site's calendar. Step 3, check availability to make sure the STEM equipment is free. And 4, if available for your desired dates, complete this checkout form. So notice it's collecting my email address, but let's go again just to be safe. So I'm Jessie. Yes, it's free. So first and last name, where I'm located, what do I want to check out, what grade level am I, when am I checking it out for, and submit. That's it. Then you'll go to your STEM site lead and coordinate with them to pick up your kit the day that you requested to check it out. You'll go use it with your kids. Just a note to make sure you read the cleaning protocols, as that's something we all have to, pay attention to right now, unfortunately. You'll use the equipment with your kids. You'll return it back to the location where you got it from on the day that you say you're checking it back in, and then you are good to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. You can find our contact information on this home page way at the bottom. So our lead is Crystal. If you have questions about a specific tool, you can scroll down to the bottom of that tools page and you can see the specific contact information for that equipment. I hope this video has helped you learn the process for how to check out equipment from your site's STEM kit.